In this question, we're told that a shop sells packs of black pens, packs of red pens, and packs of green pens. We're told that there are 2 pens in each pack of black pens, 5 pens in each pack of red pens, and 6 pens in each pack of green pens. And on Monday, the ratio of the number of packs of black pens sold to the number of packs of red pens sold to the number of packs of green pens sold was equal to 7 to 3 to 4. Now we're told that a total of 212 pens were sold, and we need to work out the number of green pens that were sold. Well, the first thing that we can do is to start by finding the ratio of the number of pens that were sold. Now we're given the ratio of the number of packs of each colour sold, but we're told the number of pens in each pack. And so we can use this in order to find the ratio of the number of pens of each colour sold. So let's look at the number of packs of black pens that were sold. In the ratio, this is equal to 7 parts. We're told that there are 2 pens in each pack of black pens, and so this can change to 2 multiplied by 7. And then we have the number of packs of red pens, which in our ratio is equal to 3 parts. We know that there are 5 pens in each pack of red pens, and so for the number of red pens sold, we'd do 5 multiplied by 3. And finally, the number of packs of green pens sold has 4 parts. There are 6 pens in each pack of green pens, and so to find the ratio for the number of green pens sold, we'd do 6 multiplied by 4. So we can see that our new ratio would be equal to 2 times 7, to 5 times 3, to 6 times 4, which would give us a ratio of the number of pens of each colour sold, rather than the number of packs. Now we can simplify this ratio, which is equal to 14 to 15 to 24. And what we can also say is that 14 plus 15 plus 24 is equal to 53. And so we can see that there are 53 parts in total. Well, now we can use this ratio of the number of pens of each colour sold in order to find the number of green pens that were sold. We're told that a total of 212 pens were sold. And so the number of green pens sold was a fraction of this amount. We need to find the proportion of green pens that were sold. Now looking at our ratio, green has 24 parts, and this is out of a total of 53 parts. And so the proportion of the number of green pens sold is 24 divided by 53. Now this proportion is out of the total number of pens sold, and so to find the number of green pens sold, we'd do 24 out of 53 multiplied by the total of 212 in order to give us an answer of 96. And so we've now found that the number of green pens sold is equal to 96. Now this question is worth 4 marks. We get the first mark for finding the ratio of the number of pens of each colour sold, and for getting a ratio of 14 to 15 to 24. We get the second mark for finding the proportion of green pens sold, which is equal to 24 over 53. We get the third mark for a process to find the number of green pens sold by doing this proportion multiplied by the total of 212. And the fourth and final mark is for getting the correct final answer that the number of green pens sold is equal to 96, allowing us to achieve the full 4 marks needed in this question.